Today, I'm going to be answering the question that I get asked all the time. Can you customize products on Spocket? The short answer is yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know before you get started. First, not all products on Spocket can be customized. Only certain suppliers offer customization options. Second, the customization options will vary from supplier to supplier. Some suppliers will offer you a wide range of customization options, while others will only offer a few basic options. Third, there may be an additional cost for customization. Some suppliers will charge you extra for customizing your products. So, if you're interested in customizing products on Spocket, here's what you need to do. Find a supplier that offers customization options. Check the supplier's product listings to see what customization options are available. If you're happy with the options, place your order. Once your order has been placed, the supplier will contact you to discuss your customization options in more detail. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the different customization options that are available on Spocket. Here are a few examples. Printing, you can have your logo, design, or text printed on a variety of products, such as t-shirts, mugs, and hats. Embroidery, you can have your logo, design, or text embroidered on a variety of products, such as t-shirts, polo shirts, and caps. Laser engraving, you can have your logo, design, or text laser engraved on a variety of products, such as wood products, leather goods, and metal products. Sublimation, you can have your logo, design, or text sublimated onto a variety of products, such as polyester fabrics and ceramics. Screen printing, you can have your logo, design, or text screen printed on a variety of products, such as t-shirts, hoodies, and sweatshirts. Once you've decided on the customization options that you want, you'll need to provide the supplier with your artwork. The supplier will then create a digital proof of your artwork for you to review. Once you've approved the proof, the supplier will start production on your customized products. And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.